Hello students, as in last video we were discussing about advantages of budgeting, why budgeting is important to be included in the family plan of income. So, in continuation of that, today we are going to discuss about very important part of family resource management, that is savings. Savings are very important for all of us. Now, firstly, what are savings? Money from the present income that is collected and kept aside for future consumption is known as savings. We all love to do savings. So, why we do savings? Now, what is the need of savings? What are the objectives of saving? We will discuss that. Firstly, savings help to fulfill long term goals like paying off mortgage, college fund, starting a business, retirement savings, purchasing a home, and short term goals like loan card payment, rent payments, insurance payments, household appliances, wedding, travel, different goals of family depending on the different stages of family like beginning, expanding and contracting. As we have discussed in last video also, different stages of family demand different budget. So the same way the savings of for all the different stages will also be different. So saving will depend upon the what are your goals and what at what stage a family is. Next important need is it reduces the economics insecurity, especially in old age after retirement. The savings, which will be done in earning age, are best to be used in retirement and live the old age life comfortably and relaxingly. So it is important to do saving to live happy life in the old age. Next is useful during an emergency. Now, what are the emergencies like loss of job, prolonged illness, accidents, natural calamities, loss of head of the family, that is the earning member. So, it is always important to save money to meet the expenses of emergency, as you never know if any emergency at any time could come and may demand high money value. So for that time we have to do savings so that that time could be passed easily. Next important point is to raise and maintain the standard of living. One more important need and objective. As you can clearly see in the pictures given below, in first picture, the family is with less money, so their standard of living is low. Whereas in second picture, the family is very rich, so their standard of living is very high. So the savings always affect your standard of living. If a person keep on spending and never save, may suffer in future and the standard of living get decreased. But if your savings are good, you are good budget planner, you may raise your standard of living in later years of your life. Next, savings can be invested in buying assets like land, gold, car, house, etc. Savings sometimes become an income that can be invested to buy different assets like land, gold, car, by which you can earn more money and make your savings increased in for the next use. So the last need and the very important need is free from debts. Saving always help us to stay free from debts and happily. As you can see, the chains of debts are being cutted down by a lady by because she has saved a lot for the happy living. So with this, we have come to the end of the chapter Family Resource Management by covering different topics: resources, types of resources, budget, factors affecting the family budget, advantages and limitations of budget, And in the end, we have covered savings and their needs and objectives. So, in the next class, we will do the next chapter. Thank you, students.